Look who came to help. Shit, it's really a family of four, man. Where's the other two?
Knocked out.
Because
they'll wake up soon as they think I'm going. Right?
Yo.
Don't even mention them.
Yeah, but while we was going, while I was rolling up, look what this guy did. Look what he snapped on. He's learning. The boy is learning. He snapped on that graphics card like nothing. Nah, no lie though. When I was rolling up in the bathroom and I heard the snap, I thought bro broke a leg or something.
First of all, why was you?
I was startled.
Why was you rolling up in the bathroom?
Because
that's my thing.
Because you know sometimes you just gotta go. You gotta go both times, 2 times.
And listen, don't be having me in here looking crazy, y'all.
Crazy? Listen, we not worried about you. We worrying about this guy. Look.
PC build is different though.
It's different?
Yeah, it's different. This is intricate.
Hey boy. I mean, we pretty much done though. Pretty much done though. We got the fans in.
The part was that CPU.
You gotta get the cooler. Now, I ain't gonna lie, the cooler type scary. Yeah, the cooler type scary. You got some metal cords.
Oh, you didn't record.
Some thick metal cords.
Why you gonna put me on there and I just told you?
Cause you gonna ask me if I'm recording, man. I think I had you in the whole shot anyway. Like, come on,
God,
man.
look at him.
Come on, man.
Bobby got drool everywhere.
Drool. Look at the focus. Look at the drive.
How, Blueface gonna say I'm Christian Slow, Cardi B husband?
Please don't bring up Blueface in this video.
I'm so tired of him.
He gonna copyright strike this whole shit, man. Fuck all them niggas.
I'm really tired of his stupid ass.